Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi 11T and let me show you how to turn on and off camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now we have to focus on show grid lines button, so just one tap and we can turn them on and off. And here we have to tap to the bottom of it to get access to more options. Now we can find straighten button, so this is our leveler. By tapping on it we can turn it on and turn it off as we need, and when we have it turned on, the leveler appears here with the grid lines. This is useful when we want to be sure that we hold our device steady when we need to take straight picture, and as you can see this is how it works. The yellow color suggests us that this line is straight now, so we hold correctly our device. And of course when we don't need it, we have to move back to right corner settings and simply tap on this button to turn it off. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.